एंड वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. सो मैं अभी रिसेंटली दुबई जाके आई थी. आई वेंट टू विजिट माई सिस्टर एंड वहाँ पे आई वेंट टू IKEA जो जयपुर में नहीं है. सो आई वॉज रियली एक्साइटेड टू एक्सप्लोर बिकॉज IKEA एनीवेज इज फेमस फॉर इट्स होम केयर एंड ऑन द इनएक्सपेंसिव साइड का डेकोर. एंड आई थॉट कि चलो एक राउंड लगाते हैं. एंड टू माई सरप्राइज इट वॉज सच एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. I'll share some clips about how it went. उन्होंने प्रॉपर जोन्स बना रखे थे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम आप जैसे जैसे घर को हम लोग डेकोरेट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, फ्रॉम किचन देन रूम्स देन बाथरूम्स. इन्होंने हर एक चीज़ का लाइट्स का एक इतना अच्छा जोन था. बेड शीट्स, कर्टन्स, देन योर स्मॉल एक्सेसरीज. Then there were two amazing cafes in IKEA also. One was based on a Swedish theme because it's a Swedish brand. And overall, my experience was good. Though I have one observation that it's not that inexpensive also because मैं थोड़ा जो सामान लेके आई, no matter it is good quality, but it is not cheap is what I would like to say. So without further ado, I'll quickly show a mini haul of what all I got. So let's get into it. So this is the packet. It's a lot of stuff, but I'll now एक करके show what all I got. So the first thing which I got is this organizer. I really liked it because it's first of all it's too sturdy, and it's sheer as well. So whatever you keep you can see at the same time, and I really like the size of it. It's not too small, it's not too big. The prices I will mention in dirham over here. You can put the conversion and see how much it costs. So the first thing I got was this organizer. Then the second thing which I got is a plain white bed sheet. I think ये एक बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की बहुत कम जगह मिलती है. And I also really liked it because इसके पीछे एक इलास्टिक है, as you can see in the cover. So ये बहुत टाइटली बेड पे बिछा सकते हैं. एंड आई थॉट इट वॉज नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव. लाइक जयपुर में एक अच्छे ब्रांडेड शोरूम से लो तो इसी प्राइस का पड़ता है. सो आई थॉट एक प्लेन वाइट बेड शीट ले लेनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई गॉट. देन व्हाट एल्स आई गॉट. ओके, सो आई गॉट दीज 2 कुशन कवर्स. सो मैं 2-3 चीज़ें लाई थी जो ब्लैक एंड वाइट थीम पे हैं because I wanted to give a little change to my room, to my current room. Right now my room is mostly white and I wanted to bring it into black and white zone. So I really like these 2 cushion covers. They look like the picture represented here. And I've got 2. So pillows के अलावा ये ऐसे decorate करने के लिए it's a really good and also it's linen. It's really good quality. Okay, so the next thing which I got, which is one of my favorite purchases from what all I've got, is this planter. I mean, look at it. It is a very unique plant, I would say. And the best part, this is not an artificial plant. This is a plant with real leaves. It has a very unique pink and green. It just hit me in the first go. So I'll show you. इसमें अंदर I had to purchase this separately and I had to purchase this planter separately. इसमें we had mud inside. So this is the planter and the case. So the next thing which I got, this also I was planning to buy from India, but मुझे यहाँ दिख गया and I really like display में. So this is a strip light and this is a 2 meter length strip light and warm white color में है ये. It's waterproof as well and I really liked it because of 2 reasons. Firstly, इसमें ना अलग से bulbs नहीं दिख रहे हैं. It's a continuous वाला tube strip light. Also the thing is the way she explained कि it's very easy to cut. अगर मुझे कहीं से भी इसको length को cut करना है, so that provision is not in most of the strip lights. So that is one of the reasons I've got this. But इसके साथ मुझे बाद में उसने बताया that buying this driver is a mandate. So then I was little confused about my purchase because ये भी महंगा था और इसके साथ ये लेना ज़रूरी है. So I'll basically tell you क्या है. You can see there's a hole in the hair. So and here are these little points. So ये strip light सिर्फ इसी के साथ compatible है. So if you are buying the strip light, buying this is absolutely important. So in case you order online, make sure to buy this as well, otherwise ये किसी काम का नहीं है. So this is the next thing, and now I'm coming to the end of my haul. So this is the last and not the least, but one of the best products I've got is this room curtain. So this is, as I told you, I'm switching to, you know, making my room in a black and white theme. I really like this. Like, this was attraction at first sight. And ये last pieces में से था. It was very difficult to find, but they were kind enough to, you know, look out in the inventory and get a last piece of it. And I also got this on a 50% discount. So I really liked it. Again, the material is really good, and as you can see in the picture how it will look. So this is my last purchase, and with that I've emptied my packet, and this was my IKEA haul. So I hope you guys liked it, and as I've mentioned the prices, I know it's not that cheap, but it's good quality. एंड मैंने सारा वही सामान लिया है जो मुझे लगा कहीं और इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिल सकता है, एंड ऑनलाइन भी इतना यू नो ईजी टू फाइंड नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू गाइज लाइक द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दिस व्लॉग, डोंट फॉरगेट टू hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.